What is up, guys? It's that PS4 guy here with another unboxing video, and I did go to T-Mobile and I did pick up a tablet. It was time for a new tablet for me, and I got the LG Gpad X8.0, and it's a very good tablet, as you can see. I got this for $140, I think. It was like $139.99, some of that. So we're just gonna go ahead and open it. Let's get straight to the unboxing. Some great packaging so far. And there we go. The thing itself is very nice. Actually, feels very light. And this actually has a SIM card in it. And I'm not going to show you, actually. That's my number right there. So, for the tablet. Then you have the SIM card thing. And in here, this is a charger. It's very nice and stable, actually. Not a weak charger. Outlet. We're gonna take this off. So I think I might just set it up right now. Home button should be here. There we go. I just want to show you how fast this actually can work. How fast I can download. It downloads pretty fast. Install Netflix, and once it's already, and boom, it's downloaded. It just works really fast. It's a really fast tablet. I would definitely recommend this. I mean, wow, it's faster to set up than the iPad. I mean, honestly, it beats an iPad for me. So thank you guys for listening, watching. Peace.